Good day everyone. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to join 6-pieces skirt with lining. But before we proceed to sewing, we are going to cut the lining for the skirt. After that we will proceed to sewing. I'm done cutting the satin which serves as a lining. I cut them each side facing up. The lining is facing up while the lace is also facing up. But today it is going to be a method of how to join a lining with the skirt, or let me say how to fix the lining to the skirt. Maybe in the nearest future I'm going to teach you another way of lining the 6-pieces skirt. Before I go to the sewing machine, the method I'm going to use to join this lining is I'm going to join the lining separately. I will join all the back lining together, join all the front lining together, connect them to make a skirt. Also, I will join the lace as well. I will join all the lace for the back together, all the lace for the front together, and then I will couple it. Let me proceed to the sewing machine and come back to show you. I'm back joining the front piece of the lining together. As you can see, it has been joined together. This is the body, this is the front side of the skirt. This is the front side of this 6-pieces skirt. As you can see, I didn't close this down part because I want to effect the curve in this down part without cutting our lace. So I will just make a little curve here, then drag the lace up to 2 inches, which is our curve measurement. This is the back as well. I then close this one as well. This is the bone of the back, the side, and a piece of the center back. Same thing applicable to the second side of the back. So now I want to effect this curve by cutting this place and sew it together. As for the down part that we want to make a curve effect, so let's do it together. We're going to cut this way, then here is it now, just little curve. Then our 2 inches is here, the 2 inches curve. So you just drag this over here. So you can see this is it. So we will now sew this place together. That's all. So I'm going to do this to all the sides of this flay, then close it down, then come back and show you the rest. Now I'm back joining both back together and the front together. So the next thing now is we place the lining each side facing each other like this. So we are going to join the side as well. This one we are going to place it on our lining as well. We are going to join it. Remember, while cutting our pattern, the side joining calculation is 1 inches. That is what we are going to use to join it, and same thing applicable to the lace as well. Now I'm back joining all our skirts, all the pieces together now. So the next thing now is we are going to place our lining on the skirt, because I want to make use of easiest way to fix the zip. So I'm going to start the joining. I'm going to close it like this from this side, close the upper part, close it to the right, to the other side as well. So after closing it, then I'm going to turn it out. After joining it, I will show you how it looks. I'm done joining it, so you can see here is this. So this is one of the easiest way to join your skirt its zip. So I'm going to turn it to the right side. After turning it to the right side, I'm going to top stitch on this very edge. So this is it. On this side as well, I'm going to stop stitch on it. After stop stitching on it, then I will fix my zip. Then that's all about the skirt. We have different ways of fixing zip. So after stop stitching this edge, and this edge as well, to secure this lining or to prevent this lining from coming out, then I'm going to fix the zip here. So maybe in our next tutorial we are going to work on how to fix zip differently. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you do. And if you are yet to watch how to cut and shape 6-piece skirt, the video will pop up at the end of this tutorial. Thank you.